In this video, we're going to show you how to install wiper blades on your Kia Forte located at the base of your windshield. Go ahead and grab your wiper arm and gently swing it up. At the top of the wiper itself, there's a little clip on this particular style blade. I'm going to use a pocket screwdriver and gently pry up on this, releasing the lock. The wiper will slide down towards the windshield, exposing the hook end of the wiper arm. Lower this down to the glass and set it down. Go ahead and take your new wiper blade, and on the leading edge here, there is a curved attachment. Go ahead and lift this up. Insert the hook part into that. Push it up, and you can feel it and hear it lock into place. Give it a little wiggle. At this point here, go ahead and slide the protective sleeve off of the wiper blade. And then lower that down. I'm going to go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.